Hello everyone, I am Jim with TEQSPORT, and today I'm very happy to announce our own line of brake rotors for the BRZ and 86 platform. What is really nice about these rotors, it has a GEOMET coating, which is a thin layer of zinc and aluminum across the entirety of the surface. What this does is protect your rotors from rusting. Additionally, you do not need to use brake cleaner to clean off any residual oil because there is no residual oil. Additionally, all of our rotors have curved directional cooling vanes. This helps promote a smoother pathway for the air and reduces flow separation. All of our rotors are balanced to OE specifications, and because these rotors were for the 86 platform, might as well make the centerline radius of all of these slots 86 millimeters. If you're looking to pick up these new rotors for your 86 or BRZ platform or are interested in other mods, check out our wide catalog of parts at TEQSPORT.com.